Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Simon Gibbs and I am a real estate broker and property advisor here on the Costa del Sol. What I'm going to discuss in this video is the right way in which to go about acquiring that perfect property that you are looking for on the South Coast. I'm going to go through the strategy that I use. I'm going to talk about the knowledge that I can bring to the table and the experience that I have in this industry. So, the strategy. First of all, you will take an interest in something and you will sign up somewhere where I will then get your information. I'll get in touch with you, whether it be via WhatsApp, a phone call or an email, and then we will organize an online meeting. The idea behind this is so that we can get to meet each other and I can learn more about what it is you are looking for. You can explain to me your requisites, your preferred location, and the lifestyle that you are intending on having when living in a place like the Costa del Sol. So the intention behind the online meeting is, having discovered your requisites, to then go through different options of properties which may appeal to you. Whether it be a resale or a new development, each of them has their benefits. And with this, we will then discover the right viewing list, which we will prepare for when you come to Spain and we can go and see these properties in person. All the clients that I have vary in many ways. I have the people who come to the Costa del Sol knowing exactly where they'd like to be. And of course, there are a huge number of people who are looking to purchase property on the coast and they are not aware of what the Costa del Sol is or what it has to offer. So the most important part of my strategy is not just taking you to see properties, but helping you to understand the location. It is vital for you to understand that not everywhere along the coast is the same. I will take you to see the area, explain the benefits of that particular location, and then we'll go and see some of the viewings. Afterwards, we will again investigate more of the location, just to give you more of an all-round feel for what it is that they are offering aside of the home that you're looking at. The knowledge that I bring to the table is of course also of vital importance. Having lived on the coast for over 40 years, I am very aware of what each of these destinations has to offer. So again, making sure it coincides with the lifestyle you are planning on living. I'm very familiar with the resale market all the way from Sotogrande to Nerja, which are the limitations of the Costa del Sol, along with all of the new developments, which currently are over 400 new developments on the coast. Once I understand the lifestyle you're trying to live and the sort of property you're trying to purchase, it helps me focus the search to ensure that exactly what you want is something which is readily available to you. And of course, the experience that I have will also help with that decision. I've worked in different sorts of positions in the property market itself, working in new developments, property management, and of course, most recently, in the actual sales market. So resales and new developments are something I have a lot of experience in. Of course, the benefit of this experience is the fact I can help you with the networking, I can help you with counseling, I can help you with the general advice on what I would suggest when it comes to finding that perfect property. With regards to the purchase process, I would put you in contact with the right people and guide you every step of the way from the moment you arrive to when you finally receive those keys. The entire process consists of the following. Again, online meeting, listening to your requisites, organizing that viewing list, taking you to these places, most importantly, showing you the location, and once you've decided on which of these properties most fits what you're looking for, putting you in contact with the lawyer, taking you to the notary to sign for that power of attorney, accompanying you all the way through the process and making sure that you get what you want and that the entire process is seamless and smooth. In order to do my job effectively, the first thing that we need to determine is the sort of client you are. By this, I mean the reason for your purchase. Generally, there are three types of people who are coming to buy properties in Spain. We have those who are investors. These are people who are looking to put some money into a property and use it purely to get a good return on their investment. The intention here is to find a property which will have high rentability and high occupancy throughout the year. So you try and find something at a good value close to the amenities of access to the airport, and also which provide you with amenities within the actual property itself, because these sell better. The second sort of client is that who is looking for a second home. Somebody who wants to have somewhere to come and enjoy their summer months, or even just their quick little getaways every now and again. And the third client is, of course, the person who is looking to relocate, change their life completely from where they are now to the Costa del Sol. So once we determine which sort of client you are, this helps because the location does vary massively on all of these accounts. If you're looking for that investment, you want to be relatively close to an airport. If you're looking for that second home, it's relative to the sort of lifestyle you live. And if you're looking for a relocation, it is relative to various factors, including your family life, your personal life, and what it is you do in your spare time. So, of course, there are those of you who have chosen the Costa del Sol for various reasons. You've been here, you've seen it, you've fallen in love with it. And then there are those of you who have not yet been to the Costa del Sol. So the question is, why the Costa del Sol? Well, there are four main points. The location. We're on the seafront. We have mountains. We have a little bit of everything very close by. Second, and most importantly, the weather. Everybody likes a nice sunny day. So, with 320 days of sunshine per year, this is the place that most of you would like to be. A lot of you live in countries where the weather is poor. Windy, wet, it's just a little bit depressing. And in a place like the Costa del Sol, well, it's generally happy, bright, fun lifestyle. The next point is the amenities. There's so much available to us. Again, as I mentioned, the beach and the mountain, but of course, we also have everything that goes hand in hand with that. The Chiringuitos, which is a beach bar, going and having a dinner or even a lunch, and then taking a little stroll up until 10:30 when the sun goes down in the middle of the summer. We also have, of course, horse riding, polo, mountain biking, trekking, walking, all those lifestyle activities that occur outdoors, which in other countries are not that easily attainable. But when the weather's good, of course, these things are much more appealing. And of course, travel. Well, we're in Europe, so you can jump on a plane and easily access the rest of Europe with a 4-hour flight, and of course, the rest of the world with all of our international airports. So at the end of the day, other than the reasons I've just given, why choose me to represent you as your real estate broker? Well, my parents had that inspirational moment 40 years ago. Let's move to the Costa del Sol. So having lived here for 40 years, I'm very aware of the lifestyle and the place. I've been to international schools along the coast, from Marbella all the way to Soto Grande, and I have a huge amount of experience which I love to share with you. The best part of this is the services that I offer are completely free. I pick you up at the airport, I take you to the places you want to see, and I help you find that house. And it will be at completely no cost to you. Working on a multi-listing system gives me access to 99% of the available properties on the coast, resales and new developments alike. So, if there is something that you want to find, I will be able to find it for you. If you'd like to get in touch, and I can show you the amazing lifestyle we live and find you that perfect home, then don't hesitate. I'm here to help. I'm very eager to find you your perfect home. I look forward to hearing from you.